Hi guys, and welcome back to the Veda Chef channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Perfect. So today I'm gonna be doing one of those videos that I've been seeing like from YouTubers I follow a lot, and I was like, okay, let me do this. 24 hours using trendy or things that were on trend at a point, foods, recipes. So that's what I decided to do. I've seen a bunch of people do it. I've seen, so this idea coming from like Rafael Gomez. Also the BuzzFeed videos, I said there's this other YouTuber called Jazzy Bum as well, and there's and Sierra Schulte. So I'm gonna link all of their channels down below. But I saw them doing it and I was like, okay, I was always curious. I was like, okay, I want to do it. And specifically from Rafael Gomez, I wanted to do like a 24-hour series with like cartoons and all of that. So my next videos of like, so the 24-hour series challenge series that I want to do is gonna be from movies, cartoons, and some series that I like specifically. So today we're starting off with just the trendy recipes on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. I'm just gonna be trying recipes that I've seen, and I'm like, okay, let me try. So starting off, it is about 8:30 in the morning. So this is gonna be my breakfast, because after this I have some work to do. I have to clean the house, I have to edit some videos. So starting off is the trendy category, right? Trendy recipes that I've seen online. So this was there maybe 3 years ago. I'm not quite sure, it's still being done, but this was maybe like 3 years ago. And this is the overnight oats. So throughout the whole day today, I'm gonna be coming back. Maybe I'll have changed my clothes or changed something else about me, and the lighting is also gonna change. And so I'm just gonna be making different trendy foods when I'm hungry. So the first one is overnight oats. So I already did it, like I already soaked them overnight like you were supposed to. I didn't really use a particular recipe. I was like, okay, so it's oats that have been left overnight, right? I'm not sure, but basically what's in here is it's milk. It's a I'm gonna leave how many the weights, I'm gonna write them on the screen. I have oats, milk, some sugar, and some vanilla essence and nutmeg. Now I don't know if that combo is gonna be great, but I was like, you know what, let me just try whatever I can try. So that's what it looks like. That's the end result. So what I'm gonna do now for aesthetics, I'm going to put in my toppings. Okay, so that's gonna be my breakfast. So that's what it looks like. So the taste test. Okay, I've never had this before, but I think we also made it at the restaurant, I think, for a breakfast when I was still working there. But oh, it is slimy, like it's cooked, right? Okay, so here goes nothing. This is my breakfast after all. That's not bad. It's just that it coats my tongue with like a film of starch or something. Like usually if you cooked it, that was gonna cook completely, but maybe if I left it for a bit longer, it will be different. But let me just try to get the oats on their own without anything in them. That's not bad. That's not actually bad. And with the flavors and everything that I put in, it's not bad. It's actually not that bad. Okay. So this is gonna be my breakfast. And if you actually wanna know what I put in here, I'm gonna put it in the description box so that you guys can find it. But this is my breakfast, guys. So the next time you see me, it's gonna be a snack. Maybe around 12 or something. I don't know, it's gonna be a snack or lunch. I don't know which one it's going to be. But yeah, I think the next time you see me, it's gonna be a few hours from now. Guys, try this. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. Let me go eat my breakfast and then get into the day. Okay. I'm back. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, half 12. We're gonna be making the egg sandwich. So I have my bread, eggs, butter, some salt and pepper, and my cooking station. So I'm gonna be showing you from this angle. And yeah, I'm just gonna be making it. This is the TikTok hack that I've been seeing. It has been tried by a bunch of people, and I just finally want to try it out myself. So without further ado, let's just get it prepared so that I can eat because I'm hungry. So what I realized was this was way too much butter once it melted, and that my bread was too big. Usually what I've seen people doing is like using those smaller breads, or a bigger pan, and well, I had neither of those things. Both of my things were very small, but yeah, it still went kind of, but it did taste good though. Let me say that. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like. The cheese is melted, and I'm just gonna eat this. So this is the tea, and that is the bread, and it's nice and cheesy. So I'm just gonna eat that and then come back and tell you what's up. This is the snack part of it. So I decided to do a little setup. So I was working and stuff on my laptop, and so it's snack time. It's around about 3 o'clock. So so what I have is, I saw this other TikTok video, and I also saw it on Rachel Love's life as well. And she mixed up, she had found it from TikTok as well, which I think I might have gotten it wrong. I have a lemon instead of a lime and I'm just gonna put it over some green grapes, seedless green grapes. And apparently I think it's supposed to be like sour. I think in that video it was sour, what are they called? But it was some sour candy. So the only candy that I really know and love that are sour are the sour jelly babies. These are the ones that I actually do like. So I was like, okay, since I don't have whatever brand that was, and I'll try to find a video so that I can insert it somewhere. I'm just gonna use the grapes, some fresh lemon juice, because I was like contemplating between using like this and the fresh lemon. So, but I think I should just go with the fresh lemon instead. Because I think this is a lot, like this is a lot more concentrated, but I think either of them could work. So what they said you should do is just oops, it's just okay. So this is why I have this on the side. So I think you're just supposed to squeeze. Probably should not have halved it what I did. So you're supposed to squeeze this in there. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Sorry if you're hearing something, that's my mom coming back. And then tossed, and then this is gonna be my snack. Mind you, when I'm doing these videos, right, I have not actually tested any of these hacks, and this is gonna be my food for the day. So here goes anything. I feel like I'm not getting enough of the lemon, so I'll use this. Okay, I'm just gonna toss that up a little bit more. Today the truth, it tastes like lemon with with grapes. It's not really overpowering or anything like that, but compared to, let me find like the yellow ones, because those are usually the most tangy. So okay, so no, it doesn't compare. This is still a lot more sour than this, but apparently it's supposed to be the healthier option. So yeah. All right, let me eat my lunch and then I'll come back to you for dinner. Okay, so I completely forgot to do like an outro or just an explanation, or also just like how it tasted and everything. But it did taste amazing. But I think there was some errors that I made in cooking this, which one of them was the pan was too big, two was I didn't use olive oil, three was maybe the type of feta cheese I chose was a little too dry. Also, there wasn't enough liquid at the end. I saw somebody using some pasta water, which I didn't. And as I was doing this, I was cooking some pasta on the side as well, of course. And then once it was done, it tasted amazing. Even my mom could attest to it, but it was just a little not mixed in completely. But all in all, it tasted amazing. Also, this day was probably the day where I had like very good meals. So I'd say give TikTok hacks like a try, especially the food ones, because they seem to work very well and they're very tasty. So guys, that was the end of my video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And guys, until next time, bye. Enjoy the rest of the video, of course, but bye.